Hello, my name is Abhijit Dilip Karmakar, and today's date is 11th October 2021. And today's video topic is string. So let's talk about string. So why use strings? So one of the primary function of the modern computer science is processing human language, similar to how numbers are important to math language. Symbols are important to meaning and decision making, although it may not are important to meaning and decision making. Although it may not be visible to computer users. Computers processor language in the background as uh, accurately as a calculator. Helper dialogues provide instructions, means provide choice, and data displays shows status, errors, and real-time changes to language. As a Java programmer, one of your main tools for storing and processing language, processing language is going to be a string class. So first, uh, first point is string literal. So in a string literal, Java is created by using double quotes. For example, each time you create a string literal, the JVM checks the string's constant pool first. If the string already exists in the pool, a reference to the polite instance is returned. So if the string doesn't exist in the pool, the new string a new string instance is created and placed in a pool. So second keyword is a new keyword. In such case, JVM will create a new string object in a normal non-pool heap memory, and literal the literal welcome will be placed in a string constant pool. The visible will refer to an object in a heap non-pool. So first, uh, so first one string is char. uh, Char at integer index. So it is a return char value for the particular index. Second one is a integer length. uh, Integer length, it's return string length. Third one is a static string format. Static string format, it returns a formatted string. Fourth one is a static string format. It returns formatted string with given locals. Fifth one is a string substring. It returns substring for a given being index. Sixth one is a string substring. It returns substring for given being index and end index. Seventh is a boolean contains. It returns true or false after matching the sequence of a char value. Next one is a static string join. So it returns a joined string. Next one is a static string join. It returns a joined string. That's Next one is boolean equals. It checks the equality of string with the given object. And last one is last but not the least is boolean. Boolean is empty. It checks the string is empty. uh, that's all. Thank you.